Hello and welcome to Gibraltar, mid-October 2020. I am setting foot on the boat for the first time. This is a Princess S66. This is the second video about the Princess ownership experience for me. It's my first boat, and I'm discovering the boat for the first time here on the cargo ship, which just brought the boat from Southampton. The boat is brand new and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a very high quality product. I've been expecting it for several months and finally I discovered it for real. And it is very impressive. And we're about to unload the boat in a few minutes. It's going to happen. And so this video is a few sequences about running the boat and doing the delivery voyage. And she's floating in the Med for the first time, slowly coming out of Gibraltar Harbor, letting the engines heat up to 85 before pushing the throttles a bit more, putting everything away, fenders, lines, before our run to Puerto Banus, which is 30 miles away, so a little more than an hour. Eager to test the boat at high speed, of course. So let me know if you have any questions about the Princess S66 or the boat ownership experience in the comments, and I'll be happy to try to answer. All right.
Great.